Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is TEGA. I hope you're having a wonderful week. This is another video for you. It's a wrap palazzo pant. I want you to sit back, enjoy, and watch how easy it is to make one. Let's get started. The length of the pant is 42 inches including the allowance, and the width of the pant is 46 inches with allowance. But when the fabric is folded over along the width, I would have 23 inches to work with. Next, you want to cut another piece of fabric with the same measurement. The width here is 23 and the length is 42 inches. I've cut the same and I've placed them directly on top of each other. So I'm going to start by taking 5 inches there. You can take 4 if you have hip 40 or below. But the hip I'm working on here is 45. So you take 5 inches there and you take your crotch measurement. The crotch I'm going to be taking there is 13.5. If you have hip 40, 39, 38, you can take 11 instead of 13.5. So I have 13.5 there and I have 5 there. So I'm going to connect both of them together and that's going to form the crotch. Using your tailor's chalk, draw out the crotch line and cut both pieces together using your scissors. And once that is cut, I'll move on to the next stage. You want to open it up, right side facing right side. Next, you want to stitch all around the crotch line there. With the size of the pant, you can choose to take 1/2 inch sewing allowance to 1 inch sewing allowance and fold like that and stitch, but you have to do them separately. Apart from the crotch line, you don't stitch down any other place together. The same applies to the hemline. You take your 1/2 inch or 1 inch, whatever allowance you've added, and you stitch down. Now you want to cut 4 straps for your pant. I've got 20 inches as the length and 3.5 inches for the width. I decided that the width was too wide for me, so I reduced it and made the width 1.5 inches and the length was still 20 inches. Here I've stitched round the crotch line and I'll start opening it up. Once you open it up, you have to stitch the waistline from one end to the other, then you stitch the other side as well. You stitch that, then you open up the other one and stitch it as well. I haven't stitched the sides of my pants because I used a sharing scissors, because this fabric is a non-fraying fabric and I don't need to do that. But if it was fraying, I could have stitched down 1/2 inch or 1 inch like I explained earlier in the video. Here the pant now looks defined. You can see the crotch line, you can see the hem line, you can see the size, you can see the waistline. Don't forget you're gonna stitch that separately. That's the waistline. Take half an inch or 1 inch, whatever allowance you've left for it. You do them separately. We're not stitching anything together apart from the crotch line. So the rest is gonna be stitched individually. So here is the waistline. That's the waistline stitched down. Then I went ahead and added straps, the 4 straps. You need 2 there. And when you open it up, you have another 2 on the other side. If you open up the pants, you would have another 2 hands there with 2 straps. Now the pant is ready, and this is how you want to put on your pant. Very easy. You tie the front first, then you go for the back one, and that's it. How easy is that, guys? Very easy to make. Remember, this pant was made for a size 45 inches hip size, and I also tried the same pant on a size 40 hip, and it was still fabulous. Now we've come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and press that notification bell to notify you anytime I post a new video. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then, look after yourself and bye for now.